classification of resistors. So in the previous year he is given the for 3 marks question classification of resistors. So there is a two classification, fixed resistor and a variable resistor. Fixed resistor again subdivided into three categories based on the composition. It is nothing but the material used. Carbon type, wire bond type, metal film type. So again subdivided into two categories. Carbon composition type, film type. Carbon type, precision type. Thin film, thick film. This is about fixed resistor. Next, variable resistor subdivided into two categories. One is a potentiometer. They subdivided into two categories, carbon and wire bond potentiometer. And finally, another variable resistor, rheostat, decay resistance, thermistor, varistor, light dependent resistor, primer. So these are the best examples for the variable resistor. Next, this is important for 3 marks question. Sometimes given for the 5 marks also. Specifications of resistor. 4 is an important one. One is the resistance value, tolerance, power rating, temperature coefficient. So in detail, you can study about the resistance value is nothing but which is printed on the surface or body of the resistor. That is we are called as the resistance value. Tolerance value is nothing but it is a deviation from the original value. For example, 10 kilo ohms we are printed, but only we are getting the 9 kilo ohms. There is a difference, 9.8 or 9.2, whatever it may be the value we are getting on the printed resistor. So that is we are called as a variation. So that is term we are called as a tolerance. Power rating. So maximum current withstanding capacity, that is we are called as a power rating. It is generally denoted by means of watt. Temperature coefficient. At what temperature the resistor does not lose the resistance property. That will be we are called as a temperature coefficient. Next we think about carbon film resistor. The material generally we are used as a carbon. Because of that reason, those will be we are called as a carbon resistor. They are very smaller in size. So already we see in the laboratory while we discussing about the measurement of resistance value with color coding and multimeter. So that is the best example for the carbon film resistor. So there is some specification, maximum ranges. These are all given for the carbon film resistor. Next, applications also given. So each and everything is important. So from here, from 2.4 to is there. Up to here, those are all we can expect for the essay question. We need to draw this, we need to represent the specification, and we need to represent the application. Applications may be asked for 3 marks, but is also important thing. Next, metal film resistor. So here, the metal film will be, we are using. So the film is made up of what material already is given in this portion. Right? So low standards will be generally we are using, that will be producing the resistivity. So specifications at the same time, their applications also is given. So metal film resistor subdivided into two categories, thin film and thick film. So those will be we cover. Next one is the metal oxide resistor. Next we think about resistance resistor. Next we think about the color coding. So already problems we have discussed. Color coding formula, BB Roy grade written very good points. Right. So these are the numbering order from 0 to 9. Next there is a several types of resistors is there. 4-band resistor, 5-band resistor, 6-band resistor. So first we think about 4-band resistor. Last one is rightmost is we are called as a tolerance. Next, second one is a multiplier. Next remaining is the first and second is it. The tabular column also we are given how to we are calculating the resistance values also. Already we discussed it. Next, common fault. So we cannot expect this question for the examination. But worst case may be given in the examination. We don't know. how the examiner will be represent the question paper. So these are the 8 faults: open circuit, short circuit, power dissipation or power loss, increase in the value of resistance, noise in the resistance, intermediate contact, dry or cold solder joint, so resistors goes out of order. So in detail study already we discussed it. So let we go for the next topic, classify wire wound resistors. So they are further classified into 2 categories: power type and precision type. Power type again subdivided into 3 categories based on the power rating up to 10 watts, up to 60 watts, up to 1000 watts. So there is a construction is given for the wire wound resistor. We are taking a non-conductive material like ceramic. Generally we are prefer other material or plastic, whatever it may be. On the surface of that we are placing a wire. High resistance wire will be we are wounding. So such type of constructions will be we are called as a wire wound resistor. They are also available in different manners: 2-terminal, 3-terminal. Is nothing but fixed rheostat and variable rheostat also. But most we are using variable rheostat. So their applications also is mentioned here. Next we think about the precision type. So precision type again we have carbon type and wire wound type. So in detail we starting from here. So carbon potentiometer. Potentiometer is nothing but the value can be variable. It is consisting of the 3-terminal. One is it is attached to a shaft and wiper contact is there. When we are rotating with the help of shaft, the wiper will be contact in different position. According to that, the value of resistance will be changes. So this is one type of variable resistor. Next, wire wound potentiometer. It is also same. A cylindrical structure, wiring will be we are placing. In the center, a shaft will be we are placing. A wiper also we are connected. So a wiper also we are connected. So when we are rotating the shaft, the wiper contact will be change its position. According to the position, the resistance value will be changed. Next, LDR, light dependent resistor, means the resistance value will be changes with respect to the light. So if the light intensity will be more, the resistance value is more. If the intensity value will be less, so automatically the resistance value also decreases. So that we can observe here, the resistance of LDR decrease with increasing in light. So means decreasing with increasing of light and increasing with decreasing of light. So that is a major concept. So no need to remember all the things on the diagram, just remember the major concepts. Next specifications also is mentioned. Next applications also is given. VDR, voltage dependent resistor. So it is similar to the LDR. So here intensity, here voltage. So applied voltage it changes. According to that, the resistance value also changes. And last one is the specific resistance. Specific resistance is nothing but the resistance of the material having unit length and unit cross-sectional area is known as specific resistance. Resistance and resistivity. So here we need to remember the one formula, R is equal to rho into L by A. That is the base formula we need to remember. So based on that, we want to do some of the problems here also. Some of the data is given. According to the data, we need to find out the resistivity or resistance or A value, cross-section area, at the same time length. So these are the model problems. Effect of temperature on resistance. This is we can expect for the 3 mark question. Next, temperature coefficient of resistance, alpha naught. So there is a small derivation is also there, but you need to remember the formulas. So there is a 2 to 3 formulas is there. RT is equal to R naught of 1 plus alpha naught into T. That is the one formula. Alpha naught is equal to RT by minus R naught by R naught into T. So these 2 formulas we need to remember for doing the calculation. Just be taking using the ratios. Already I explained about one or two problems. Next is series connection and parallel connection. Series connection is nothing but second end of one terminal is connected to first end of another terminal. So this process is continuous, that is we are called as a series connection. This is a series connection. What is the form? So no need to remember all the things, just remember the formula and the definition. So definition is that next formula is R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to so on Rn. Similarly for parallel. So how can we define parallel connection? All similar ends are connected to a common point. So all similar ends is nothing but, so you can see here in this diagram, so R1 first terminal, R2 first terminal, R3 first terminal is connected to a common point. So similarly R1 second point, R2 second point, R3 second point is also connected to a common point. So such type of connections will be called as a parallel connection. So you need to remember some of the important points. In series connection, current is same, voltage is divisible. In parallel connection, voltage is same, current is divisible. So you need to remember these two concepts. So this is very helpful while we are doing the calculation. What is the formula for here? 1 by R total is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to 1 by Rn. This is the formula for parallel connection. Next is some of the combinations, series and parallel. Just if you know the concept of series and parallel, so we can easily understand the concept of combination also. So some of the problems also is given in the textbook for series connection. So we need to find out the voltage drop. First we discussed in the first chapter as a Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. So the three formulas will be helpful while we are doing the resistive calculation. It is a series connection. So next it is a parallel connection. Next it is a current division. Means same. What is a parallel connection? We are using the same concept here also we are using. So based on that we are calculating the current for individuals. So in that case we are using the total, but in this case we are doing the individual calculation. So this is about the first and second chapter. So what are the important questions is there? So in the second chapter, 5 marks question is a problem of series and parallel connection. That is sometimes maybe series and parallel connection, that may be problems may be given for 5 marks. Else if it is missing, definitely the questions will be expected from the resistor classification. Whatever it may be. Sometimes may be given the wire wound rheostat is given one time. Sometimes is given the carbon composition resistor. Sometimes is asked about the metal filament resistor. So we cannot expect exactly. But mostly carbon resistor is given, wire wound resistor. So these are potential meters. So these three topics repeated continuously. So we need to focus on the three areas. Rest of also important. Each and every time is mentioned the specifications as well as applications important for the same aspect. So this is about first and second chapter. Tomorrow we will go through the third and fourth chapter. So if you have get any confused along with the first and second chapter, so you can send personally to the WhatsApp. So I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Let me bind up the session up to here. So if you have any doubts, you can personally send to me.